Dr. Davis, do you get patients, and if you do you take patients which basically want to look a little younger because you do liposuction and stuff? So I assume you might be doing working in the face with like tightening the skin, making it look more vibrant and stuff like that. Do you have equipment for that, and are you doing this type of stuff?
Yes, we certainly are. We're a full-service medical spa. So we have equipment that does just about everything that a patient would need on their face. We have equipment that does tightening around the jaw, around the face, around the eyes. That works very well. One treatment is not sufficient for skin tightening. They need a package of usually 3, sometimes 5, and it does require maintenance, as with any type of skin tightening with any type of machine. We also have equipment that treats skin damage due to sunspots, due to rosacea, due to broken capillaries, basic neglect from smoking, wrinkles around the face, all of the laser equipment that does all of that type of treatments to the face. All of that is done by our esthetician here, who is trained at the American Laser Institute, which is, I believe, probably the best training that anyone could have, and she's very good at that. I don't do that myself. My esthetician does. I do all of the injectables and all of the surgical procedures myself. The esthetician does all of the laser and laser hair removal and all of those, and we do our laser equipment does all skin types, including African American and dark skin types, and all hair types for laser removal, even including red hair and light hair, which is very difficult, and not all equipment does that.
Okay.
So we do all of that.
Let me interrupt you a little bit here. When a person, I want to stay with the skin tightening here. When a person gets his skin tightened, which is in itself probably a wonderful effect, because most as we get older, our skin starts sagging a little bit and whatever. So that's great. But what about the color? What about the skin color? To come back to be more vibrant and stuff like that. Can there be something done for it in connection with tightening the skin?
Yes. We do what we call photofacials, which is done by a combination of the laser and radio frequency, and that also will treat the sun damage and the rest of that, and that does give your skin a very nice glow, and that can be done in combination with skin peels, chemical peels as well. It just gives a glow if you don't want your skin to exfoliate. Some people just want a nice glow, and that can be done in combination with the lasers. And those can be done in singles or in packages as well, depending on what the patient's needs are. And that's why we offer free consultations, because every skin type is different, and the amount of skin damage is different, and some patients just need a little glow here and there, and some people actually have damage that needs to be corrected. We have a machine called the Visia here that analyzes the skin down through the different layers, and we actually picked up a skin cancer that you couldn't see on the skin on the outside that we were able to treat by picking it up through the Visia consultation through our skincare clinic this way too.
Well, all right. That was very informative, like always. Thanks a lot.